हेलो दोस्तों, तो कैसे हैं आप सभी लोग। आज मैं फिर से हाजिर हूँ आपके लिए एक नया वीडियो लेके। और आज मैं आप सबके लिए लेकर आया हूँ 5 कूल न्यू अमेजिंग टूल्स जो कि आपके लाइफ को इजियर बनाने में आप सबकी मदद करेगा। सो फ्रेंड्स, वीडियो को स्टार्ट करने से पहले अगर आपने मेरे चैनल अभी तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब करें और साथ ही साथ बेल आइकन को भी दबाएं ताकि हमारे फ्यूचर में अपलोड होने वाले वीडियोज़ का नोटिफिकेशन आप तक पहुँचता रहे। सो फ्रेंड्स, विदाउट वेस्टिंग एनी मोर टाइम, लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड।
Magicmount is a revolutionary magnetic mounting system for conveniently mounting your tablet or smartphone virtually anywhere. With the Magicmount system, you'll always have a perfect spot for your device. Just hover your phone over the magnetic surface and it locks into place instantly. Its sleek, cradle-free design uses high-power magnets to keep your device secure, and they're completely safe to use with any smartphone or tablet. Perfect for hands-free phone calls while on the road. Great for using your smartphone as a GPS. Place your device at any angle for convenient viewing. On the road, in the office, at home, everywhere. Magicmount.
Lifestraw is an award-winning, ultra-light water filter designed to provide you with safe, clean drinking water at a moment's notice. Manufactured by Switzerland-based public health company Vestergaard, Lifestraw has won Time Magazine's Invention of the Year, Esquire Magazine's Innovation of the Year, and Saatchi & Saatchi's Award for world-changing ideas. Over 4 million Lifestraws have been distributed for humanitarian aid since 2005. Lifestraw uses advanced hollow fiber membrane technology, which contains no chemicals such as iodine and uses no batteries or moving parts. It filters to 0.2 microns, removing 99.99% of bacteria and 99.9% of protozoa. Lifestraw filters a minimum of 1,000 liters, which is 264 gallons. This is equivalent to a year of clean drinking water. Lifestraw works especially well in silty and muddy water, as the membranes filter out particulate matter. The flow rate is quite high. It's like drinking through a thick straw. The Lifestraw removes bacteria and protozoa, but will not remove chemicals, heavy metals, or viruses. That said, these contaminants are extremely rare in the backcountry of North America. To use Lifestraw, you can simply insert it into your water source, wait a few moments for the water to soak up the membranes, and then suck the water through. When you're done, simply backwash the membranes by blowing the water out. Keep the caps on if using it throughout the day, or leave them open to let it dry out. When you buy a Lifestraw, you're making an impact. With our Follow the Leaders program, for every Lifestraw sold in North America, we provide a year of clean drinking water to a child in a developing country.
Using a tape measure just got easier with the introduction of the Etape 16. It solves a problem virtually everyone has, measuring mistakes, and it's actually educational and fun to use. The Etape 16 takes the human error out of measuring by giving you an accurate digital measurement every time, with the ability to recall your measurements at any time. As you lengthen the tape measure blade, you immediately see why Etape 16 is different and not your ordinary tape measure. It takes the guesswork out of measuring. With a large digital display, one can see and read the measurement clearly. With the touch of the inch-centimeter button, it allows you to read the measurement displayed in inches, feet, fractions, decimals, and even converts from standard to metric and back. Not only does it measure easily and accurately, but it has several other useful functions. When taking a measurement, you can use the standard blade lock or use the digital hold button. The large display makes your measurement easy to use and easy to remember and recall with the touch of a button. The inside-outside function allows you to measure to the front of the tape measure or to the back, and calculates the extra width. No more needing to bend your blade when backed into a corner. When you need to hang a picture or find the center of a measurement, press this center line button and it will calculate it for you. Whenever someone sees the Etape digital tape measure for the first time, their initial reactions are, "That is cool! It makes total sense and I want one." Thus, the digital tape measure was born. Since its origin, the Etape has proven useful in a multitude of settings. The Etape 16 is a unique and durable tool that provides data in a more simple, reliable, and accurate way. For any job, whether at home or work, the rugged and durable Etape 16 digital tape measure will ensure your measurements are accurate every time. Here's to measuring once and cutting once. Until next time.
Looking good should be as easy as walking out the door. You'll always have style right in your wallet with GoComb. The GoComb easily fits in any credit card slot. So convenient, it'll be the last comb you'll ever own. 3 reasons why you'll love your GoComb. Its size. Incredibly thin and fits in any wallet or purse. You won't ever worry about leaving your comb at home. Its design. Made from durable stainless steel and finished with a super smooth coating. Your GoComb will never break and comes in styles to match your look. Its practicality. The GoComb works in all hair types, even burly beards. Some styles also double as a mirror or a bottle opener for ultimate functionality. Now you know why people love the GoComb. It's proven its worth with over 4.5 stars on Amazon. Join the thousands of happy customers to see why GoComb is a no-brainer for everyday style.